Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing of Minnie for my Simply Fabulous page kit number 130. If it's not out when this video goes live, there's a link below that'll take you to my shop where you can see all my current projects. Otherwise, once the page kit is available, then I will put the direct link below. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue with the fine metal tip. And let's see, I think I'm going to start. I like to go around the edges where it's easier to find the placement for it and then kind of work my way around. So I'm just going to kind of lay out a few of the pieces. Now this is a very fine glitter paper. I don't know if you can really see the glitter in the camera, but it's beautiful. It's very rich pink. Okay, so I'm just kind of laying them out first before I start adding the glue. That way I can get a feel for the spacing and where they're going to go. All right, so I'm going to start with this piece. These lines are very thin, so there's some excess glue, so I'm just going to pick that up with my pin from the glue. Now there are connection points for here, otherwise these would have been all separate pieces. So there's little connecting points that we're going to cover at the end with a fine tip black marker. I'm just going to add her face next. I'm going to clean off my tip. There's some glue there that's bunching up. Okay, let me get the glue on here. Okay, I'm going to do her little belt. She has a little zebra belt. Super cute. Okay, and her other shoe. So this one actually isn't that bad because there's so many pieces that are welded with connected by those little connection points. There's actually not really too many small or tiny pieces. That makes it so much nicer. And then you just have to go in with a marker, but that's not too bad. Much better than trying to do every single little piece. And then you get it done faster as well. See how this one is going to go. Seems like there's supposed to be a little, oh no, they're not a hole. That's her finger. Okay, yeah, let's see. Look when we get it on. So, in case I forget to mention it, there's this little tiny white thing. There's only supposed to be a little speck showing, so I'm going to draw a line. I'll show you when we do the lines, but we have to, yeah, I'll show you. It's kind of hard to explain. Okay, so now we just have her tongue and her eyes. Let's make sure they're going in the right direction. Just going to add some glue right here. And if the tongue, it has a texture, then just make sure the texture's on the top part. Okay, she's so cute and she's done. So let me give you a close-up look and then we'll get that black marker out and fill in all those points. Okay, so let me put the pin in my glue so it doesn't clog up. And I'm going to be using a Zig Rider Pure Black. I'm using the thin tip. I don't know if it's focusing. Is that focusing? Well, anyway. Okay, so I'm going to just start at the top and work my way down. Before I forget though, let me do the hand part. So I'm just going to draw little tiny, let me show you before and after. So there it is before. Okay. So I'm just going to do a little bit here on the side and a little bit on the side there. Okay, that's perfect. So really, you just want that little tiny dot to show. That's all you want to show because that's part of her thumb that's peeking through. And then this is her pointer finger. So she's like pinching the glasses. So that's just that little dot is part of her thumb on the other side of the glasses. Okay, so let's fill this one in and this one. And I just kind of go over it back and forth until I'm happy with it. Okay, and then on the glasses, actually, wait a minute. I think I want to do her face first. She has some eyelashes. Let's go in here. And this one. Okay, and so this is this really fine, that really, really skinny bit. So her eyelashes are coming through that. So I'm going to do one line here. Then I'm going to do another line here. So now I've got two. I'm going to do one in the middle. So there's a line on either side now. I don't know if you can see that. There's a line here and a line here. And I'm going to do one right in the middle. And that's her other eyelash. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go up to her sunglasses. And you want to kind of curve your lines to go with the image. Okay, so there's the bow and the sunglasses up close. See, I filled it in here, and here, over here, this spot, and this spot. All right, now, let's see. Her other hand just has one right here. And then her dress, she's got one here, one right here. That might be it. Oh wait, there's one more right here. Okay, so there's one here, and here, and then over here. Okay. All right, and then now her shoes. Okay, again, we're going to have just a little tiny bit. So see right over here, I'm going to fill in a line here. Okay, so the reason that that's there is because this little tiny dot, that's from this side of the shoe peeking behind her leg. And then this part that's the inside of the shoe, that little dot, and this is the outside of the shoe. So that's what that's for. I don't know if anyone would notice if you forgot to do that little piece. But yeah, so that's what that is. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the like button below, the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Don't forget to check out my shop. Link is below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.